guys, and welcome back. Today we're gonna do a quick video on how to animate shop NPCs. I guess they don't have to be for a shop, but that's what I need in this game's case. So if you want to know how to get animated NPCs very fast, here's how it goes. You're gonna want to go up to Avatar, Character, and then select the character that you want. I'm gonna use a block avatar. We'll set this guy up kinda behind the shop, and then you want to design your avatar. So shirts, pants, accessories, whether that's hats or anything else. Just make sure you got a really nice avatar set up. I'm gonna do this with the toolbox, but of course, if you wanted to make everything specific to your game, you could do each thing custom. Custom hats, shirts, etc. I found this guy in the toolbox and I really like his shirt and pants, so we're just gonna copy his clothing and we're gonna paste it onto our rig. We're gonna change all of our body colors to this nougat color. I'd say that works well. And then let's try to find like a hat or just some other sort of accessories to make him feel a little more alive. You know what? I feel like just a beard would be sick. A bald guy with a beard. There it is. We're gonna drop that right into the rig. It will automatically line up, or at least kind of. Roblox's new face is, kind of messed some stuff up. All right, now to make him animated, all you're gonna do is add a script into the rig, and then you're gonna add an animation into that script. This is all you need for the script, and for your animation ID, which you'll paste into here, you can get them off of the Roblox catalog and do a couple workarounds, but a YouTuber named Floppy Fish compiled a list of them together, so I'll just leave those in the comment section or in the description below. Now, if we click play and go over to the shop, as you can see, our guy is sitting there waving. We have an animated and decorated NPC fit to our game. Super easy, super fast. Thanks Floppy Fish for compiling the list. And guys, I'm so excited about this game. I know, super short video for the day, but a couple people have asked me how to do it. That will wrap it up. If you did enjoy and want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.